What's the meaning of Cheddar Gorge? Cheddar Gorge. Cheddar Gorge.
Cheddar Gorge. Cheddar Gorge. Cheddar Gorge is a natural gorge located in the Mendip Hills in Somerset, England. It is a deep, steep-sided canyon formed by the action of water on limestone. The gorge is home to a variety of wildlife, including rare species such as the horseshoe bat and the cheddar whitebeam tree. It is also a popular tourist attraction, with visitors coming to explore the caves and rock formations, go hiking and rock climbing, and learn about the area's history and geology. Overall, Cheddar Gorge is a unique and beautiful natural wonder that offers a range of activities for visitors to enjoy.